Hi, and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi, and I'm your host. And you're about to see all the goodies in my spring giveaway. As happens often, all the items didn't fit in the picture again. But before I go through the items in this giveaway, I'd like to ask that you watch this video to the end before entering so that you know everything in the giveaway and you know all of the giveaway terms. And also know that if you get any responses from anybody to this, to any of your comments to this video, just know that it's not me. I don't ever comment on my giveaway videos, but sometimes people will steal my picture and pretend to be me and try to get people's personal information. That's not me. Don't tell anybody your personal information if they leave you a comment, because that's not me at all. Okay, so this giveaway is open to residents of the United States and Canada only. This channel is too small to ship internationally, but when I reach either 5,000 subscribers or 50 channel members, I'll open these giveaways up worldwide. So I just wanted you guys to know that before you started watching it all the way through if you were outside of the United States and Canada. So that said, I have a whole bunch of things to go through, and I'm going to try to go through it a little bit fast because me and my family are about to go visit some grandparents, and I'm really looking excited to that. So that said, let's go ahead and start with this puzzle. So this puzzle is a 500 piece puzzle. It was donated to the channel by a subscriber who purchased it from the channel wishlist. Thank you so much, Deb, for helping partially sponsor this giveaway. I really appreciate it. So we have this basket of yarn. It's really great, 500 pieces. Just thought it would be something nice to do that's also crafty, that it involves yarn, but it doesn't involve exactly yarn. So for other people who craft not just with yarn, I also am including the Calming Crochet coloring book, which I tend to include in every single one of my giveaways. And for this giveaway, since it's spring, we have the Beautiful Language of Flowers coloring book. And so this is my other coloring book. And of course, that's going to be coming with 24 colored pencils from Crayola. And so we've got that done. So let's get to the notions and just kind of go through those next. So a while ago, you guys might remember, if you were subscribed to me at the time, Whisk F, which is a tote bag company, had given me some tote bags, and one of them was this beautiful rose bag, and I love it so much, and I had intended to use it for spring. Just wanted to show you, it's really big, it's nice and secure. I use my Whisk F tote bag. It's my favorite one that I use to keep my yarn in, so I just wanted to let you guys see what that tote bag looks like. And the other bag is a canvas tote bag that is pink that you can use as a grocery bag, reusable grocery bag, or you can use it like I do for other projects as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know we have two tote bags for that. And next, I wanted to show you your crochet hook set. It comes in a little zipper pouch like this. And these are all of your crochet hooks. You've got really tiny ones, and then you've got the more standard set. And we have from 2 millimeters to 6.5 millimeters. So that's a nice set for you to have. So I've got that as well. And as always, I picked 5 stitch markers from my funny bag of stitch markers, but I had to do it off camera because I wanted to get this recorded pretty quickly. So we have a nice spring dress stitch marker, and we have a little gummy bear. It's a kind of an ombre looking gummy bear with blues. Yeah, so we've got that. We have a cupcake, which I think is cute. We have a hot air balloon here. And last, this is probably the funniest one because I have no idea why a flower would need a wing I mean, I don't know why flowers would need wings, let alone just one wing, but we have this flower with one wing here, and that is the last of those mystery stitch markers. And just so you know, if you want your set of mystery stitch markers, I do sell those on my Etsy store, so that's where you can get that. So the Notions pouch matches the bag, not perfectly, but it's close enough. We've got this beautiful rose on here, and it's just a regular zipper pouch. I'm going to go ahead and put these stitch markers in that bag. We also have the crochet hook keychain that I always like to include in all of my giveaways. We have the row counter. If you press this button right here, it'll go up by 1. It's this big button right here. And if you want to clear it, you press the small button like that, and it'll clear it back to 0. So I have one of those. I'm going to be putting that in the bag. Of course, I have a circular measuring tape, and then I have a regular measuring tape. Some people prefer one over the other, and you can't have enough measuring tapes. I also have some metal darning needles as well as some plastic darning needles for weaving in your ends, and I have it in this little case right here. I am including another Lion brand. These are magnets, fridge magnets, and a Hobbii candy. Hobbii sends candy with all of their different bags that they, like I said, whenever you order from Hobbii, they'll send you some candy. And this is some Hobbii candy, and I thought it would be fun to put some in there. I personally don't like it. It's flavored cherry, but I know a lot of people love it. And here we have, this is really pretty heron scissors. And now we can move on to the crochet journal. So we have a crochet journal here. It has lots of flowers on it. I thought that was perfect for spring. And as you can see, you have a perfect page here to record every single project you do. And it's a really, really great way to keep track of projects, keep track of what kind of yarn you're using for the different projects, even things that you did, you know, maybe you did something that you didn't like so much in one of the projects, and so you might have notes on something that you'd like to do differently. I love these crochet journals. I have one of my own. I use it, and I like to include them in my giveaways. So we have this crochet journal, and then next we just have a little notebook. It's nothing exactly, you know, it's nothing too special. It's just a line, smallish notebook. But I just wanted to include another one just so that you can take notes and keep notes in all of your project bags, because that's really important for me. And then of course we have this matching pin. It is sparkly, and it's pink there. And then again, Deb, who is co-sponsoring this with the puzzle, she also sent some really pretty pens, and so here's one of those pens that I am going to be putting in this giveaway. So the last thing before the yarn is this. Like, why do I have one of those like little fidget toys, right? So it's like a heart, and then you like pop these, right? Well, I saw a really cool idea where people had these, and they had taken a marker and they had written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, on and on. And what they did was they'd pop them, they'd push them down like that when they were done with row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and then when they had done all of the rows, then they'd turn it over and then they would pop them back out so that they could keep track of their rows that way. So I thought that that was a really cool idea. So I wanted to include one of these so that you can try out that method of row counting, and you can get these just about anywhere. They're just these little kind of rubbery things that you push the button in, and they're really great. All right, so actually I have one more thing before the yarn, and that is we have some pink sheep socks. I always like to include a couple of extra goodies like this, so you'll also be getting pink sheep socks. So the yarn, well, first off, let me show you the ones that I picked out for this. So we have this beautiful Hobbii Horizon, and this is called, well, it's color number 2, but I think that it's called Sunrise. But it's got a lot of pastels in them. It's a really beautiful spring colors, I think. And each one of these are 200 grams, are 601 yards. So you get 1,200 yards in 2 of these. And so I am including 2 of these in the giveaway. And I think that you could make just about anything you want to from this. They're very, very pretty. I also thought it would be really special to include some ice yarns. Everybody loves ice yarn, the rainbow. This is the Picasso rainbow. I've got a bag of 8 of them. I am putting these in my mystery boxes just for anybody who wants to know. I've been including them in my mystery boxes for the last few days. So if you want some ice yarn, just know that if you order a mystery box, I'll probably put some in there, okay? Until I'm out of stock. But yeah, I thought that including a whole 8-pack of the ice yarn Picasso in the rainbow that everybody loves so much would be a really nice touch. So I have these. Now I do want to say every single ball is 50 grams. Okay, so it's 400 grams. All right, and I'm not certain what the yardage is in each one of these, but it's a really nice pack. All right, so now I have some here that are hand dyed, and these are new to my shop. Okay, first we have Spring Rose. I don't know if you guys remember my Winter Rose, but this is Spring Rose. It is made with the exact same kind of color palette in mind as my Winter Rose, only it's got these spring colors. So we've got this spring green, and then we've got this nice pretty pink, and it's a little bit brighter, in my Spring Rose collection. So just so you know, I have Spring Rose available in my Etsy store, but I'm going to be giving away 1 skein of that in this giveaway. And then I also have a palette pack of minis. So we have the 5 minis here, and we have purple, yellow, pink, which is meant to represent spring flowers. And then we have the green, and then this variegated one. So I have 3 different sets that you can order in my Etsy shop. One of them is the 5 mini skein set, which is this. Another one is a 10 mini skein set, which is this double, okay? And another one is a 100 gram, and you can pick any of these colors. You can pick purple, yellow, pink, green, or the variegated as a whole 100 gram, and then plus 5 minis to make either a shawl or some socks or just something really pretty and special for spring. So I just wanted to talk about that. So I'm going to give away 5 mini skeins in this giveaway, and just also for you guys to know that there is a couple new listings in my Etsy store if you're interested in those. As always, I've got some blank yarn. This time it is Cascade Superwash Sport. It's 100% superwash merino wool, and it's their 220 line. This is considered a light worsted weight 3. So I would say it's probably right. No, it's a 3. I would say it's almost like it's right in between a 2 and a 3, but I think that counts as a 3. Just excuse my fingernail. So I have 1, 2, 3 skeins of this, and let me see how much yards you're gonna get with 3 skeins here. 136.5 yards each. That's very specific. So you'll get 3 of them, but they're not going to be white. I'm going to be hand dyeing these in a future video, and so you'll get to see how they turn out. Okay, so we've got 3 of the 220 Superwash Sport by Cascade Yarns that I'll be hand dyeing, and then we have a Noro, of course, and these are always really special, and I always include them in my giveaway. So we are done going through everything that's in my giveaway. Can you believe it? It's a record for how fast that I've done this. And now I'm going to read you the terms and conditions. This giveaway is open to residents of the United States and Canada only. This channel is too small to ship internationally. When I reach 5,000 subscribers or 50 channel members, I will open these giveaways up worldwide. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. This is funded by me for subscribers to NicheCraft. This giveaway also includes items sponsored by Whisk F tote bags and subscribers who have donated to the channel, like Deb. And again, she donated both the pens and the puzzle. To enter this giveaway, you must subscribe to NicheCraft, like this video, and leave a comment answering what's your favorite thing about spring in the comment section, okay? So you can just put whatever. If you don't like spring, you can be like, I just don't like it, so I can't really say a favorite thing about spring. To enter this giveaway, you must subscribe to NicheCraft, like this video, and leave a comment with your favorite thing about spring in the comment section. I will choose a winner by random comment picker at 6 p.m. on Friday, April 14th, 2023. The winner must answer the question, what is your favorite thing about spring, in their comment to qualify. Once selected, the winner must email me with a mailing address within 10 days of the winner's announcement. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end, liking and subscribing to my channel. If you'd like to sponsor a giveaway or help the channel out, you can do so by sending items through the channel wish list, reaching out to me with your idea through my email address, becoming a channel member, supporting my small business at my Etsy store, and shopping for items through the affiliate links in the video description section. Good luck to all who enter.